And do you have a gun as a security?
No.
Taser?
That small taser. We have a flashlight. That's pretty much that.
Okay. All right, you can't be doing marijuana while you're on probation.
When fast cash meets bad choices, the courtroom doesn't gamble. Today, we're inside Judge Boyd's courtroom for a tangled case involving 3 defendants tied to an illegal gambling operation in Bexar County. A raid uncovered thousands in cash, meth, and a back room full of 8-liner machines. Among those charged, a new father hoping for leniency and another defendant who tested positive for marijuana while already under scrutiny. As each stands before the judge, it becomes clear probation isn't a gift, it's a responsibility. And Judge Boyd is here to remind them that getting a second chance means proving you're ready to do something different with it.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonition. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of promotion of gambling as a Class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty, sentence you up to a $4,000 fine and 1 year in the Bexar County Jail? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Showing you the plea bargain page, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of promotion of gambling. There's a $250 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 6966603 and 6966604. Did you understand the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 15 months. No contact with Abel Garcia, Celestina Gonzalez, or Nicole Marie Casimiro. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense of promotion of gambling, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with its attachments.
We've reviewed them and have no objections, Your Honor.
Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Do you wish to proceed with sentencing?
We would like to, yes, Your Honor, and if I could address something.
Yes.
So, as you can see in the police report, and I can further tell the court, my client had this job and he was making very little money doing this, basically being a doorman at a gate where they had some 8-liner. He is still struggling financially. I have explained to him that on this deferred, the most important thing is to make sure that he shows up when he's supposed to show up and do whatever it is that the court asks him to do. He is currently working right now, but I just want to inform the court that his finances aren't very strong. I've also informed him that if he has no violations, that there might be a possibility of terminating his probation early, so he's going to try to do everything that the court orders as quickly as possible, so that maybe we can be back in 5 years sooner rather than later.
All right, does he have any criminal history other than what he's here for today?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. What are you doing for work?
Security.
Okay. Do you have any children?
I have a daughter.
How old?
12.
Do you see her on a regular basis?
I didn't even want to.
Why not?
Me and her mother really don't get along. We don't talk anymore. She was my stepdaughter, but I raised her. She was 1. We ended up breaking up, and she just didn't let me see her anymore.
Okay. All right. If you're drug tested today, what are results going to be?
I'll probably feel marijuana.
All right. And do you have a gun as a security?
No.
Taser?
That small taser. We have a flashlight. That's pretty much that.
Okay. All right. You can't be doing marijuana while you're on probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
All right. The court will sentence you to $250 fine. That will be probated. Take in consideration 6966603, 6966604. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be no contact with Abel Garcia, Celestine Gonzalez, Nicole Marie Casimiro, 80 hours of community service, restitution, 1 year deferred adjudication, regular UAs. I'm going to want him tested for levels. There's to be 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And we'll do a TAP evaluation. He's telling me the only thing you're going to be positive for will be marijuana, nothing else. You haven't used anything else? You don't use anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. So we'll still do a TAP evaluation, but what I'm going to ask for, based upon what he's telling me, is the sober meetings. And once your levels go down, which they should, and once you test negative, you should not test positive again. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to want field visit one time for 2 months, and then it'll be at probation's discretion. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Reading off the record, in this court, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come and address it to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Parties announced for the record for the state.
David Cavazos for the state.
Defense.
Roger Pettis.
All right, Attorney Pettis is by Zoom because he had a court date in Comal County. Any objection to his appearing by Zoom?
No, Your Honor.
And are you Abel Garcia? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of engaging in organized crime as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did not. Yes.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on the indictment, of course, waiving the enhancement paragraph. Punishments be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. There's a $1,000 fine. No applications. The state will take in consideration County Court Cause number 696597 and 696598. Did you understand that to plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 with its attachments, Your Honor.
Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just, Your Honor, he's been very remorseful. He's turned his life around recently. He's had a brand new child recently that I think has probably galvanized the concept for him to get back on the straight and narrow, Your Honor.
All right. You have a new child?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right. How old are you?
52.
All right.
Had a little baby on January.
Ah, what's her name?
Rebecca. Name's Rebecca Garcia. Changed my whole life.
All right. Is this your first child?
No, ma'am, it's not. It is not.
Why does it take this new child to change your life as opposed to the others?
To be honest, it was me and my girlfriend. We've been working on this, and we've come a long way. And I'm blessed with. I mean, I wish I could be there with her these days. I'm so blessed to just receive such a small sentence with my record, you know. And I've come so far. I've come so far, and I've changed my life, and I'm just so happy.
All right. And the people who were involved in this with you are those, do you know any of them?
Well, through just, acquaintances, seeing them there, having the same habit that we had, which was gambling and stuff, and I said, me and my girl, we've moved on from that, and we've got.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 696597, 696598. There's a $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Gilbert Barrera, Nicole Casimiro, Celestina Gonzalez, and Anthony White. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing? We can go off the record to say you change your life. You need to continue to do that. If you have no intention on being a fine, upstanding citizen and being a role model to your daughter, don't do this thing where you breeze in and out of her life causing trauma. You understand?
Understand, clearly.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I would be very
And just like that, the outcomes split. Some walked out with probation, others left in cuffs, bound for state jail. Judge Boyd didn't mince words. Showing up isn't the same as showing change. She drew a hard line between accountability and excuses, so what's your take? Should testing positive for marijuana cost someone their shot at probation? And can someone caught up in a gambling ring truly break free from that world? Drop your thoughts in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe to Courtside Legends, where real justice plays out, one case at a time.